Hello and good day. This is the daily analysis of the Bitcoin symbol for January 31st. After an aggressive move downward and breaking the BIOS level, the price entered the rejection block area and from there had a short-term pullback to the zone. There is an order block at the 824,300 level, which is currently reacting to this area. If the price moves downward and breaks the 821,157 floor and closes below the 85,545 level, it could enter a bearish phase and target prices between 72,900 and 80,000. These could be set as targets considering the order flow and the ETF fund. We can see that in the past 2 days, $817 million and $509 million have been withdrawn from ETF funds, respectively, which indicates a state of fear in the crypto market. Also, by examining the fear and greed index, we see that this index has moved to a lower value and is now at 26, which is within the fear zone. If this number enters the extreme fear zone, the price could reach even lower targets. Also, by analyzing the whale orders, we see that as the price moves downward, a large volume of orders has accumulated in the range, from 79,000 up to 80,000, which could push the price upward from this area. Also, if the price is accompanied by bullish momentum and moves upward from this area, and if it closes above the 82,483 level and enters the BPR or the bearish unicorn zone at 85,924, it could, from this area, move downward. And if it enters a bearish phase from the BPR zone, it could reach lower targets below the 72,900 level, and smart money and ICT traders, by analyzing the BPR zone, see that it is located in the OTE area, which is a highly significant area for rejecting the price downward. Of course, if the price moves down from this area and entering the order block zone at the 80,000 level, by analyzing the RSI indicator and identifying a bullish divergence as confirmation, they can enter a buy position with more confidence. However, if it enters the BPR zone from this area and a trend reversal is identified, we can enter a sell position targeting the 80,000 level in the market. By analyzing the 1-hour time frame of the Bitcoin symbol, we see that after breaking the BOS level, it entered the rejection block zone, and with the accumulation of liquidity, the price could be drawn towards the sell side and enter the order block zone, and from this area, it is moving downward if it does not have enough momentum to break the 82,118 level. If that's the case, it could have a lower sell wick in that zone, and with the formation of a trend reversal, a bearish move as another trading strategy allows us to enter a buy position. We can set the stop loss behind the swing or behind the rejection block zone, targeting the order block level at 82,380.9 to 84,772.8. By analyzing the 15-minute time frame for Bitcoin, we observe the price movement. We can see that during the Asian session, there was an accumulation move, and in the London session, a manipulation move is forming. If the price enters the order block zone at level 82,908 and ultimately reacts down to the 81,182 zone, this could be a manipulation move, and during the New York session, you might see a distribution move for a buy position. This would give us the opportunity to enter a position and set higher targets, aiming for the 86,000 to 86,400 levels. Wishing you success and profitable trades.